Hi everyone, I'm a BigSeller trader, and in this video I'll quickly show you how to process orders and also point out some handy features. Alright, so by using BigSeller to process your orders is actually great because you can manage orders from all of your store in one place. Plus, it has tools that make processing orders a lot more efficient. Alright, so here's how you can process your orders. First off, you go to orders and then click on processing orders. Alright, so actually, these are the main pages that you will frequently use when you process your orders. Alright, so first off, we have new orders, second, in process orders, third, to pick up orders, fourth, ship, and lastly is completed. Alright, so all of your new order will directly sync into the new order page. Okay, so once the order is in the new order page, okay, when you are ready to process the orders, what you have to do is you select the order, and then click on pack. So for this one, you can either do it by single or by in bulk. Okay, so when you click on pack, the order will be moved to the in process order. So in the in process order page, basically this is where you print all your shipping labels, your pick list, your summary list, your invoice. All right. So when you try to print the shipping label, so in our system, so okay, in our system will automatically appear one print result confirmation page. So in here, you can click on mark as printed. Automatically under the status column here will show one icon. So we'll show you when you have printed the order, what time, what date. All right. So for the order to move to the next step, which is to the two pickup orders. Okay, once you have printed the shipping label and now you are ready to give the parcel to your courier. So what you have to do is you select the order and then directly click on ship. So when you click on confirm, the order will move to two pickup orders. So in the two pickup orders page, basically you don't have to do anything else. You just wait for the courier to scan the parcel, and then the order will directly move to the ship status. Okay, so it will directly move to the ship status. So in the ship status here, when will the order move to the completed? So it will be moved to completed when the order has been confirmed received by both platform and also the customer. Okay, so after both platform and the customer has confirmed, automatically the order will move to the completed page. All right. So next thing is the customized shipping label. So actually in our system, you can customize your shipping label. So for you to customize, you can click on print setting. Okay, in here, click on shipping label printing, and then you can see the customized shipping label template here. So directly click on add template. So template name doesn't matter, any name also should be okay. All right, shipping methods, just make sure you choose the shipping method that you want to be that you want to use for the customized shipping label. All right, and then for here we have three types, so you can choose which type that you want to use. You can refer to the preview here on the right side. All right, so you can choose whether you want to show store product or even merchant SKU, right? And if you want to show your store name, the quantity, the print number, everything can also be customized. And you can even customize your own fragile message as well. So we will show you one fragile message in the shipping label. Okay? So once you click on save, okay, you can use this customized shipping label when you print the shipping label directly from BigSeller system. Only then the customized shipping label will be printed. All right. So next thing is order mark. Okay. So for order mark here, you can click on orders and then click on mark settings. So actually this feature will help you to quickly manage different type of orders by marking them. So for this mark settings, you can actually create up to 100 marks, and each name for the mark cannot be duplicated. Okay, and one mark can add to you can actually add multiple order to a mark. Okay, so all right, so for you to create the mark, you can actually directly click on add mark here, and then directly create one mark. So you can put whatever mark name that you want, and then you can directly choose the color that you need. Okay, so when you click on confirm, the mark will appear in this page. Just make sure that the status here is turned on. Okay, so that you can choose the mark when you try to create the mark rows, right? So once you have created the mark management, okay, what you have to do next is you go to the mark rules and then you click on add new rule. So in here, rule name doesn't matter what name you want to give also. This is actually only for your reference. All right. And then you can see here on the left side, there's a condition that you can select. Okay, for order information, there is estimated profit range, order amount range, and also order time range. All right. So for the item info here, we have designated merchant SKU, designated stock SKU, SKU quantity range, and also SKU type quantity range. Okay, so for example, okay, you choose designated merchant SKU. So in here, you can select which merchant SKU that you want us to auto apply the mark. All right. So once you have chose your merchant SKU, you can choose how for the how the mark rules can be triggered. Okay. So how many quantity of the SKU? So for example, one. Okay. So when you click on confirm, in here under action column here, you choose the mark that you need that you want to apply. All right. So when you click on save, okay, please do make sure that the status here is also turned on. And as you can see on the left side, we have priority. So if you create multiple mark rules, the priority here actually takes effect. Okay, so the first one, it will be prioritized first. Okay, so if the order sync into our system and it triggers the mark rules automatically, under you can see at the order itself that the mark has been auto applied. So for example, I can show you the mark. So this is the example of the mark, right? So that is for customized shipping labels. For order mark. So next, shipping fee management. So for shipping fee management, you can actually go to orders and then click on shipping fee manage. So in here, actually, we only support 3 platforms at the moment, which is Shopee, Lazada, and also TikTok. So the function of this shipping fee management is actually you can track whether you are being overcharged or not based on the shipping fee, right? So this is for the shipping fee management. So for the data, we will only keep it for 90 days in this page. So after 90 days, the data will be moved to the order history here. All right. And then next thing is we have the return management. So for the return management, we have two pages, which is before signing and also after signing. So before signing, meaning by the parcel returned to you with the same tracking number. So meaning by even before the customer received the parcel, the customer has proceeded to return it to you. So it will directly sync into this before signing page. Okay. So for after signing, you can actually see the order that with a different tracking number will directly sync into the after signing page. Okay, when the parcel is returned to you, different tracking number, it will be in the after signing page. All right. So next, the logistic tracking. So for logistic tracking, you can go to orders and then click on logistic tracking. In here, okay, we have three platforms that we support also for this page. Okay, Shopee, Lazada, and also TikTok. So in here, you can actually track where your order is. Okay, whether in which transit, whether the order has arrived to your customer or not, and everything. You can actually track by using this feature. Okay, so in this page, we will only keep the data for 90 days. So after 90 days, the data will be moved to the logistic info history. Right? So that is all from me today. I highly recommend for you guys to use BigSeller to process your orders because it lets you manage orders from multiple store in one place. So it will be much more easier for you to process your orders. All right. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to our customer service. Thank you.